How to add flash animation in Wix Studio. So you can actually add a flash animation into the image, text, as well as the button. For this case, I'll add it into this text. Once you have selected the text, head over and then open your inspector by clicking onto this icon. Go over right here into the lightning option, and then you should be able to see this. So do take note that the flash animation is available in the entrance, as well as hover and then loop. For this case, I'll choose loop, so click onto this add. Now from in there, you should be able to see this. And here is the flash animation. Click on this, and then it should be able to show you a preview of how that will look like. So that is what it looks like. You can also adjust animation by adjusting the duration as well as repeat delay. So that's how you add flash animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.